In order to solve this problem, we have to eliminate the fraction. Okay? So because fraction contains x in the numerator and x in the denominator. In order to pull out x or any variable from the fraction, we have to eliminate the fraction. We eliminate fraction by multiplying left side and right side by the denominator. Always by the denominator. Let me copy this down. Okay, so I'm going to multiply ex minus a, the left side of the equation, and I'm going to multiply right side also by ex minus a. So ex minus a and ex minus a will cancel out, and I'm going to have ex plus a is equal to ex minus a. I'm looking for x. One of my x's is inside of the parentheses. In order to pull out this x from the parentheses, I have to eliminate the parentheses. How I can do that? I simply distribute 2 into the parentheses. Okay, I have to multiply 2 by every single term inside of the parentheses, and at that moment my parentheses are going to disappear. So I'm going to have ex plus a equals 2ex minus 2a. Next, I'm going to collect all terms which contain x on one side. Okay? In order to avoid the negative signs, I'm going to move this ex to this side. And because this one is negative, I'm going to move this one to the left. That's why I'm going to have a, this negative is going to change to positive, so I'm going to have 2a equals 2ex minus ex. 2a plus a gives me 3a equals 2ex minus ex is just ex. See, I got the positive numbers over here. Now, I have to find x. X is multiplied to e. I do not want to see e next to x. Okay, that's why I'm going to divide both sides equation by e. So e and e will cancel out. That's why my solution is x equals 3a over